Release number 3. For this one, you want to sit with your back up against the wall. If your foot's a little slippery, you can also hold your knee with your opposite hand. I'm holding this with my left hand, and it's the same area that we did with the other releases. You have the bone that comes in the middle here all the way up from your ankle bone. This is the fibula that goes all the way up to your knee. So get behind that bone right there, right in the middle, and you can contact both sides with the fork attachment, and then run up and down. And then also you can angle it, because what we're going to get here while we're doing this movement is this position is going to have much more relaxation in the muscle. So this is the release that you're going to get the most out of getting flexor hallucis longus, which is that other muscle that goes onto the inside arch of the foot. Whereas we've basically been focusing on the last 2 releases, we've been focusing on more getting a release in just fibularis longus and brevis, those muscles that go on the outside here. So you're able to go a lot deeper because the muscle's more relaxed in this position, and you're able to get vibration into that muscle flexor hallucis longus, which works on the inside of the arch. So if you have high arches, that'd be the thing to do. The other thing that you can do if you're really focusing on getting that muscle to release on flexor hallucis longus is you actually bring the knee inside the ankle joint, try to relax as much as you can. Then that's going to actually stretch. It's going to stretch the fibularis muscles, but also it's going to get a little bit deeper if you're able to keep it relaxed, and that'll give you a little bit more access into that flexor hallucis longus muscle. All right, so that's release number 3.